surface bright. Eggs and greens catch market light. Oysters glisten fresh and small, waiting for the perfect call. Pulled from tide at break of day, ocean salt still finds its way. Eggs crack open, starch runs clear. Simple things come close in here. Nothing extra, nothing staged, just skilled hands and heat engaged. The timing's tight, the moment brief. One small pause means incomplete. Flip and turn, don't second guess. Trust the sound, the weight, the press. Every stall plays a different tune. Same warm pan, another moon. Swing and bend, don't hesitate. This is balance learned through fate. No one rule, no single way. Care and courage lead the day. Oyster omelet, light and free. Taiwan cooks creatively. Oh. Crisp meat, soft and steady play. Iron, zinc from motion sway. Protein feeds both night and noon. Energy in quiet bloom. Not too rich, not meant to last. Just enough to move you fast. Born where shoreline meets the street. Food that thinks on restless feet. Each hand learns by feeling sound. Free